welcome back, and today we are going to make Dalgona Hershey's. It's this made of this cocoa powder Hershey's. This is the one instead of coffee. So we have this, basically we have this sugar, white sugar. This is the sugar that we have. And the whipped cream. This is the brand that we're going to have. It's a whipped cream. Pak, how do you call this one? Hook pak. Right, so that one. And we also have this Nestle Cream. This is Narisa's choice. Nestle Cream. Right, so we're going to start. So first, what we're going to put. Narisa is here. So she's going to teach me what are those.
No, this is just experimental. Oy, we really haven't tried this one yet.
So 1 tablespoon. So we're going to use this one. 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Try lang sa 1 lang sa.
1. So that is the one sugar, the mixture. And
Ayaw sa ni kanasa. Or kato asa mo.
oh my gosh, it's a liquid. So I'm going to use this one.
Bisaya, Taglish, Tagalog niya mo. Kana.
1 whipped cream.
Kana siya 1. Feeling ko, much better, I think, ang Nestle Cream pam, no?
And then this milk.
No. This one. No, it's very wet na. I-mix mo siya, whisk. Whisk lang, whisk. Kana.
So also we have this one, fresh milk. This is what we're going to use. A fresh milk, full fat. Right. So now, cocoa powder.
I-strain yun. Kaya magtibugol siya. If you're using cocoa powder, make sure it should be strained so that there will be no any lumps.
So, na-mix na natin yung Hershey's, the whipped cream, and the Nestle cream, and then the sugar. Then, ang Hershey's nga powder. Then, after that, i-whisk na sa nato siya balik. Wow!
Slowly. Kaya maano siya. OMG, I think it's going to be a success. Let's get them.
Ouch! So this is the result now. Still we need to mix it well. I need ice cubes. Imuha niya.
Imuha, no?
Mineral na, ma'am.
Oh, mineral. Ano ba tangan?
Thank you so much. Di siya ganaha ginani kay
I'll
maglagay.
get my own.
So na siya yung almond milk. So ma'am, this is enough. Oh wow.
I'm so happy. coffee. Oh, wait lang.
So this is how it looks like. See? Dili siya matuwad. I mean, dili siya kuan. Sticky kay siya. Sticky kay siya. Look. So this is the final result. Ooh. Ma'am, ibutan na akong milk.
Yes. I'll open mine.
Si Pam to, asi ang baso.
You want to try, Pam?
Kanina lang ang
Sip
milk.
lang, sip. Just a sip. Just a sip.
Ma'am, pwede may mga yung ana mo ipang koan, partner. So, this what Pamela made today. It's a pancake.
Oatmeal banana pancake.
Sorry, oatmeal
Oatmeal banana pan.
banana pancake. I'm so excited. Muna ang may partner ani. And then,
Masaya siya, no?
sige. Experiment na daw ni Raisa.
Ako, George.
Hindi siya sure.
Because yesterday we did the Milo one, but it's not like this.
Sige daw.
Sige, ciao.
Ikaw sa una.
Mukha ni.
Di ra gamay ra ako, ma'am. Next is for Nariza. She's going to make her own milk. Okay.
I will use my sugar.
So, see, this is what she's using. Organic coconut sugar. It's healthy living. Organic coconut sugar. Right? So, let's get started.
No, because I'm reducing my sugar intake, so this one is much better than the normal one. So same. Another experiment. And then, I'll use this one, huh?
Sure.
And cream only. I'll use cream only, huh? But make sure the cream should be chilled. Because if it's not chilled, it's, very watery na.
I will help you mix that one.
You want to mix again? Oh, ikaw na mix ano, oh.
Then whipped cream, no need? Hershey's.
No need, no. Hershey's later na, after it's totally mixed.
Okay.
You need to mix this one first.
So, yeah.
But I think it will be different color because I'm using the coconut sugar. Yeah,
I
it's
don't
turning
know how
brown.
it will, how it tastes.
You haven't tasted it yet, pa?
The coconut sugar.
I'll get a stirrer. Para ano.
So I'm ready to mix again. This is how it looks like and the texture of this coconut organic sugar. Wow, what is that? And what she's going to put is this one.
Toppings lang, just toppings.
It's organic cacao nibs.
Brush yun na yan.
Right, I'm quite excited for this one, and this is my first time using this brand. So, this is the one. Organic cacao nibs. We're almost there.
Isa.
The Hershey's again.
I'll put the Hershey's.
This is what we're doing, especially this time. It's lockdown.
No, we don't have lockdown here.
It's not lockdown now, actually, but
But all stores
We are-
outside are,
Yeah.
except for pharmacies and some stores, groceries, so we really have nothing to do. So experiment
actually,
something.
This is my leave. We're just staying at home. This will be my second week leave.
Things to do during this time.
So you're not bored?
Yeah, every day
we're having a lot of activities. Playing with friends, like sports.
Okay?
Yes,
Wanna
I'm
mix?
excited for this one.
Ooh.
Smells good. The one that we had yesterday when Isa was here, it's not that much like this, Mom.
Yeah, I know. Because I'm using the whipping cream, which in fact it should be just, I think this, I don't know if this is heavy cream, but we're using Nestle Cream.
It's heavy cream, I think.
Heavy? I don't know how will it difference.
It's like all-purpose cream.
Yeah, all-purpose cream. It should be like that. It should be all-purpose cream.
We're almost there. Oh my gosh, I'm quite excited for this.
I don't know how it tastes. I don't know how it tastes because Hershey's is bitter. So I don't know if we should put more sugar or no.
I think
But
you have to taste it, ma'am.
I'm afraid. Ako na ba yan? Sa itong ano ko na sa gilid.
Because this is unsweetened Hershey's. I was trying to make the Cadbury one, but we're going to try this. It's my first time actually.
So it should be stiff picked like this. Okay. Asa spatula yun palihog? The moment of truth. Nothing but the truth. Here. And put it everything here na. See? Ano siya? Tingnan ko mas maayos siya if ano lang. Cream lang. Whipped cream lang.
We'll take photo for that one. So, we're done.
Add more milk. And top it with Cocoa Nibs. This is quite bitter na. Pero it's okay. Gahan ka?
Yes, please. A little bit. Yeah. So we're going to take photos for it. This is the one that you're going to use. What is this? Straw. Wow.
It's a bamboo straw.
It's a bamboo straw. This is what she's going to use most of the time. And how you're going to clean this one is with the brush.
Yeah, there's a small brush for this one.
Yes. So see, this is no plastic anymore.
Only my face is plastic.
This is made of bamboo.
Now let's eat. Trial and
Take
error.
picture, ma'am. So we're going to taste now this one. Holy crap, mo ito.
Wala mo pe, letra 2.
Perfect!
Really?
Wow, yes. It's not bitter at all. Lami kay siya. Dili siya tabang, dili siya pait. Tamis siya. Ha! It's really good. Wow. Ngayon ko ano po eh.
Yeah, it's good. I think we need to use the cream without the whipping cream.
So, what we can recommend is the Hershey's powder with this one. Wow. Or this one as well. Yeah, you can choose whichever you want.
No, don't use this one because it will make your mixture very watery. So better
Lamig ka siya.
should be the all-purpose cream. All-purpose cream, sugar, and yeah, that.
Bye!